Cleaning professionals under the aegis of Cleaning Practitioners Association of Nigeria have asked Nigerians to make every day clean-up day by prioritizing personal and community hygiene, as this will curb health issues that contribute to increased infant and maternal mortality in the country. The association's president made the call while addressing newsmen in commemoration of the 2022 World Clean-up Day in Lagos. He said the lessons of hygiene learned from COVID-19 should not be forgotten.
Government needs to identify the need for them to invest in information, education and communication in a structured manner. So you engage both local and international and development partners in the area of cleanliness and environment to communicate efficiently and monitor and measure, the outcome of that impact.
Private increased environmental education and trash for incentives as key to raising the consciousness of citizens to the importance of hygiene. The professionals frown at the poor implementation of existing environmental laws in Nigeria.
Then there's got to be consequences and management of those consequences. By the time people are being fined or jailed for not sorting their waste or not disposing their waste properly, naturally we will sit up.
When you educate them, you also want to incentivize. Therefore, if you're saying to me, if you separate your waste, if you bring 10 bottles to me, because unfortunately that's the language we understand. If you bring 10 bottles to me, I pick up your trash the next day for free. If I come to your front yard, your yard is dirty, you get punished. So it's a carrot and stick method. I think that's what we understand, and that's what we should implement.
They call on governments to pay more attention to the cleaning sector by engaging the right professionals so as to develop and standardize cleaning services in the country.